Thumbnail making of. Click. Hello everyone, I've got a new model from Para64 in a 1/64 scale, and it's a Toyota Land Cruiser, one of my favorite off-roads. Oh yeah, from 2014 LC71 Silver. Comes in a display case. I prefer box packaging, but this is okay for me. Let's have a look here. 14 plus H. Here's the address and the website of Para64. Para64 is also active on social media, and we can see it's a licensed product. And yes, I bought it at the Diecast company, also known as Tom's Model Cars. Let's take it out of the package. Let's have a look. Like this first. Is this still some glue? Yep, I guess it is. Okay, we can see rubber tires, nice black rims. I like black rims. More glue over here. We got lanced front lights. Nice gray bumper. Looks like die-cast. This is also die-cast. No opening parts. Nice roof rack. Side mirrors, I like that. And we can also see it's a left-hand drive. Later we will check the interior with a flashlight. Okay, this is pretty cool. Can't complain. A nice spare tire, same as the one underneath the car. Also lanced rear lights, but it was cool if the jerry can had a red color or a different color, but not in the paint of the car. And also the straps that hold it on its place should be a different color in my opinion. So if you are good at customizing, and that will be the place to start. Okay, let's take it off the base and see what's underneath the car. Probably plastic base. Para64 doesn't do metal base. Yeah, very simplistic plastic base. Not much details, but we have good rolling wheels. Did I mention that it has windscreen wipers molded in the glass and a snorkel here on the side, which is also very cool. Not sure what this is right here on the side. Door handles, and there are seats in the back. Yeah, I was talking about checking the interior. So we got 2 seats in the back. No gear in the back. And also 2 nice seats here in the front. A little bit like bucket seats. Dashboard also okay. We got a poke for shifting gear. Let's have a look here at this side. Oh, yeah, that's better. Good steering wheel also. Yeah. So overall, for the price you pay and what you get, licensed car, metal body, lanced front lights, lanced head rear lights, rubber tires, good rolling wheels, good interior, but still some room for improvement, like the jerry can, and also a metal base with more details would be very welcome. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. Have a nice day. Bye.